Introducing the M5Stack AtomS3, a programmable development board by the company M5Stack, and powered by another ESP32S3. And this little guy is tiny, barely sitting at an inch in length, like you in a cold pool, sporting a beautiful IPS display, a tactile clicky screen, USB-C for power and data, a reset button on the side, has a built-in 6-axis gyroscope and accelerometer for motion detection projects, 8 megabytes of flash storage, GPIO pins at the back, as well as a 4-pin connector to connect I2C devices. Another fun fact is it also has an infrared emitter. There are a bunch of different firmware for this little guy, the same way there's firmware for the cardputer. If you want to learn how to set up your AtomS3, just watch our video on how to set up a cardputer, but instead of clicking the cardputer, click the AtomS3. And if you're using Pentesting firmware, just be sure to only test your own hardware. Now, I'm running the Evil firmware for the AtomS3, and it's really easy to use. You press the screen once to press next, you long press to press OK. And my favorite part about this little guy is there are GPIO boards for it. Now, this is the GPS GPIO board. And if you crack this little guy open, you can see the GPS module, as well as the ability to have a micro SD card. Although I wouldn't recommend opening this guy because now it won't close as well as it did before. Either way. That's why. The clip broke off. Damn. I'm just gonna tape it real quick as a temporary fix. But with this GPIO board, you can get the absolute most out of your AtomS3, and you can also war drive, as well as saving your data to the micro SD card. Now, you don't just have to be running Pentesting firmware on this little guy. There are projects and hardware attachments that you can turn this into a mini drone, a mini robot. This is definitely a fun learning tool. And with companies like M5Stack and LilyGo and more IoT companies innovating every day, you'll be seeing more and more advancements on fun little tools just like this. And a testament on how ESP32 devices come in all different shapes and sizes. We go over IoTs, microcontrollers, and variations of tech daily. So if you'd like to see more, feel free to like and subscribe. And thank you for tuning in. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see an AtomS3 Flipper Zero GPIO board.